All-site construction superintendent Bobby Mason laying tile and willing to go the extra mile for Palm Beach County students. To avoid classroom interruptions, Bobby and his team work 7 days a week, sometimes all night, to complete renovations at Jupiter Farms Elementary.
All the plastic that we have covering parts of the classroom is clear. You can see what they're teaching the kids. It reminds you every moment that you're in these rooms of what's going on here and how important it is. That's what it's about.
The students appreciate Bobby and taxpayers.
Thank you, Palm Beach County!
35 classrooms and bathrooms will be renovated at this school, paid for by proceeds from the penny sales tax.
I would say thank you. They really helped our classroom because we have all new equipment.
New chairs, desks, and tables. There's a new floor, teacher's desk, and new ceiling panels.
It's really clean, light, fresh, and I really like it.
A bright room for some very bright students. I'm Rick Blackwell for the Education Network, keeping you informed.